Pass the plate with my drink. This my day. Lucky you. Fuck you too. Woo! Y'all gotta move. Y'all gotta move. Y'all gotta move. Give me some room. Give me some room. Give me the juice.
Ooh, what's up? What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys had a great week. In my last video, I did tease you guys about something that I ordered on a whim. Well, actually out of paranoia, because I think I explained it in my last video where I was driving and the coolant hose popped and I thought it was a water pump, so I ordered something. Yeah, turned out it wasn't the water pump, it was the hose. But anyway, I did get the part in the mail today. I know I should wait until the weekend to open it, but you know, when you get parts, it's basically Christmas all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and find a knife and then I'm gonna open this and show you what I got. Yeah, I didn't order a water pump for my car because I already have a water pump, 2 belts that I need, and I already have a new water pump right here, unused, untouched, unopened. Well, I did open it, but I do have it, and the water pump in my car already works fine. Damn, this thing is sharp. I don't know if you can tell where I'm going with this, but oh, I got Allen head bolts, Garage Star sticker, more Garage Star stickers. I love their stickers. They give me one every time I order something from them. I ordered countless things from them already. But yes, this is, voila. Man, that thing smells like straight up aluminum. That's right, I did order a water pump pulley and alternator pulley. They're for the 1.8 alternator pulley and 1.8 water belt pulley, lightweight aluminum ones. I figured I'd get these because they were back in stock, and like I said, I ordered it out of paranoia because I thought my water pump was out, but turns out it's fine. So I'll just go ahead and mount this to the new one and throw this onto the car when I get a chance, probably this weekend, not right now. It's only, what is it, Wednesday? It's only hump day, so it's gonna have to wait, but I just wanted to open it for now because I love opening new parts, man. And there's gonna be a lot of bling in my engine bay. I think this one is 45 bucks. This one is 110, something like that. I decided to get them before they go out of stock again, and at the time when I wanted some, they were out of stock, so I had to wait till now, which is like several months later. So I'll grab them now before they go out of stock again, which to me is a great idea. The front end still needs work. I do want to get a Gates timing belt and a new oil pump, a new harmonic balancer. You know, it's like almost $1,000. I'm gonna have to wait on those. Probably get those after I boost the car, or maybe before, I don't know. But the thing is beautiful. Man, that's nice. I'll pick this up on the weekend on my day off. Cool. All right. Ooh, sup? I'm so tired. Yeah. It's the next day, and something came in the mail today, but it got left at the office, so I'm gonna go pick it up. Ooh. Yep. Same knife. I did get something from Flying Miata. I don't know if you can see it already, but it's like right there. I bought a box full of newspaper. Jeez. Huh. No clamps, huh? But yep, that's right. I got the intercooler piping. I guess I could have always gone to silicone intakes and, you know, put together my own. But I felt like this is already tried and true. The only thing I need to change is this, which is where my blow off is gonna go. I'm gonna have shop welding the flange. Okay, what the hell does this look like? Oh, I'm a little confused. Okay, there we go. So this is from the intercooler to the turbo. So I take it this is from the other. This is the other side. Damn it. Okay, 2 hands. When I cut the tape, it just sprung open and almost hit me in the face. Oh, see? Did you see that? I think I put one hand this. Yeah. Or is it the other way? No, it won't make any sense. Pretty sure it's this. Okay. And yep, that's it right there. That's how the piping goes. Anyway, yeah, that was about $400 just for those 3 parts. I do want to go put them on. I want to at least put on the lower ones. But yeah, the caps off of that poster tube that I stuck into the intercooler is gone. So it fell out. I don't know where it went. Probably hit somebody's car while I was driving. Who knows? But it's not there, and I ended up using painter's tape to cover up the hole. I want to take that off and put this on, but I don't have any clamps. I guess I could just go get some clamps on the way. That'd be a great idea. But if I hook up the other side, where's that gonna go? This is gonna go straight to my header, and I don't want that to burn. I guess I could just wait till tomorrow, figure it out. At least hook up one, at least hook up that, and just, yeah, okay. Yo, what's up, world? It is officially my weekend. I finally get to work on the intercooler piping today. I do have to stop by AutoZone to get some clamps. These things didn't come with clamps unless I missed it, but it's hard to miss clamps. I need to find a plug for this because most likely I won't run the piping, or I won't connect the pipe, because this part, which is the hot side of the intercooler, or I don't know, since I don't have a turbo right there, that's where my headers are. I don't want to run this and have that touch in the header, which is, I don't know, a bad time. I don't want to do that since these are really expensive. But if it clears, I might just run it. Maybe go to AutoZone and go to their ricer aisle and grab like an elbow, like a 2.5-inch elbow. Oh wait, I think that's 2 inches and this is 2.5. Yeah, it has to be, because this is bigger. See how it flares out? That has to be 2.5. That's 2 inches. So I have to go find a 2-inch 90-degree elbow pipe or something like that, so I could divert the air filter towards the front and not the back. And yeah, didn't have the filter hookup. That means I gotta use a pipe. Yeah, I got a pipe. I can't use that pipe because that has to connect those two. I have to get an adapter. I don't know. Yeah, that was a little stressful thinking about what I need to get, but that's the plan for today. I'm gonna skip out on the pulleys. Yeah, I'm gonna skip out on the pulleys for now because I want to get this done after I finish. Not that I finished that last night. After I finish that, we can head downstairs and go start my day. All right, let's go.
How about the coupe? How about the coupe? How about the shoot? Y'all gotta move. Y'all gotta move. Give me the juice. Back on my bullshit, my back to the wall, turn my back on you, all of you finish. Back to these bullets, it's back to the job, put my Mac out and all of you running. Back on my hood shit, it's back to the pushing, these taxing, I'm actually pumping. Can't fuck with you rappers, you practically sucking. You might have went platinum, but that don't mean nothing. I'm actually buzzing this time. Straight out the kitchen, I told them the oven is.
Trying to get to work. I'm not gonna get to work right now, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, hey, look, this is loose. What the hell? Pretty sure that sensor is the same thread pitch as this. So let's see. Won't reach. God damn it. And it is. So that means I need to extend that all the way over here. Yeah. Okay. Man, I really want to do this right now. This will go. Okay. I think I might need to raise the car a little bit. Oh, we'll do it later. I gotta go pick up some clamps along with some other things. That needs to be tighter. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say it is 19. Oh my god, so good. Anyway, damn it.
I do not fuck with you guys. If I don't kill you, just know you gon' suffer this time. I ain't no gangster, but I got some bangers, some chains and some blazing, a couple of nines. Choppers and jimmies, a partridge, a petri. My 20s and Christmas was nothing but lies. Run at you hard like a sumo. They say I talk like a chulo. I live in Mars, I'm not Bruno. Bitch, I'm a duck, call me Cujo. You play your cards, I reverse on you all, and I might just drop all like.
I am a little exhausted, man. I've been driving around for like, I don't know, a couple of hours driving for me, but I did pick up a couple of things on the way. I got some clamps. I did get a plug. It took me a while to get a plug. None of the car parts shop had any. Like, come on, man. With the program, this is why I have to order everything online, because none of these stores have them. I gotta see if this fits. If this doesn't fit, I'm gonna be bummed out. Moment of truth. Oh, thank God. It's MPT, so yeah, it's gonna be a little loose. That's not a problem because I have tape. Yeah, I'll figure that out in a second. What else did I get? Clamps. I gotta make sure these fit too. How you open? And I need a flathead. Okay, these clamps don't fit, so I gotta return these. Oh, they have the diameter right there. God damn it. I guess I should read before I buy. Anyway, I'll just go return them and get something bigger. And then I also got some Sour Patch Kids. Oh yeah. But I'm gonna let the car cool down a little bit. It's not overheating, which is great. Cállate boca, Mahoma, they call it Obuto and all of you culo. They're better to level up in the ghetto, looking for something I probably can never find now. Shit irrelevant till the beat die down. The truth is niggas just really want me tied down. I've been alone and I never needed nobody, just only me and my shawty. I tell these niggas to lie down. Keep all the money, I never wanted a lifestyle. I just pray to God my son will be alright now. I said ain't no love for the other side or anyone who ever wants smoke. When I die, I'm going out as the underdog who never lost hope. You in the wrong cab, down the wrong path, nigga, wrong way, wrong road. Snakes in the grass trying to slither. Ooh, man. Yeah. Just in case, you know, you guys think I'm rolling on fake wheels. These are nuts back here. CR1s, 15x10, 4x100, at +7 offset. But, you know, I care less about what people think. So what did we learn today? AutoZone, Home Depot, O'Reilly's, never have anything you need. I learned that I need to get extra parts and read everything twice to make sure everything goes right, and I have all the materials. And yeah, this is the first time I've worked on my car outside of the garage. Weird. I only have 19% battery left, but I'm gonna try this. Fast, I just bought a fucking lawnmower.
I said a lot of things in my day. I admit it, this is payback in a way. I regret it that I did it. I done won a couple Grammys, but I sold my soul to get them. Wasn't in it for the.
So, I got that hooked up. Now I need to cut through this splash guard so it go inside and up. Remember when I said take that extra step? Yeah, I got the energy to take off that nut. That one nut that was right there. Yeah, so now I could drop. And let's see. Let me set this down. Alright. I hooked up the pipe right there. So it does come up. I really don't want to hook up that fuck yeah, because I know I'm gonna have to cut this regardless. I think I'll do that on another time. I'm not gonna show you guys how to cut plastic. I'm gonna go ahead and mock up or try to mount up the other side before my battery dies. Yeah, I can't find a way to hook up the other end. I don't know, it's just too much shit. So this part's cool, other side not so much. And right now I'm starving, so I'm gonna put everything back and go get something to eat. I know it wasn't much. I mean, I tried, it didn't work. That's how it always goes. You try and everything never pans out the way you want it to. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know, it's just a little update on the Miata, where I'm at with it, how the turbo process is going.
I admit it, this is payback in a way. I regret it that I did it. I done won a couple Grammys, but I sold my soul to get them. Wasn't in it for the trophies, just the fucking recognition. Fuck's the difference, I'm that cracker, been the law. Fuck the rules, man, I used to risk it all. Now I got too much to lose. I've been eating long enough, man, my stomach should be full. I just ate, lick the plate, my buffet. Lucky me, fuck you think. I got a couple of men.